Our Computex coverage is made possible thanks to the following sponsors. Show them some love for helping us get here to Taipei. Alright, so throughout our time at Computex, I'm very surprised to not have seen a large selection of micro ATX and mini ATX cases, but very happy to report a good selection of micro ATX cases released from Silverstone, all of which are based on the interior design of the very good and almost iconic TJ08. The first one is the TJ08 Pro. That will probably be my next micro ATX case, as that 180mm air penetrator at the front and proper open ventilation and non-restrictive interior would guarantee outstanding airflow delivery. While still supporting dual modular cages for 4 drives in the main compartment, the 5¼ drive bay is removable, and since the midsection and the front of the fan is open, you don't have to worry about GPU clearance nor about the temperatures of that graphics card. At the back there are 2 SSD brackets and ample of space for cable management, plus an appropriate opening for the main chamber, behind which you can secure all the cables thanks to various cable tie hoops. Behind the top dust filter are dual 120mm fan mounts that are offset closer to the side for better clearance, but notice the filter spans the entire width of the case for better looks. Now, what's cool about the TJ08 Pro are dual USB-C type connectors at the top, along with standard USB 3.0, making this case future-proof with upcoming C-type integration. We are told the C-type connector will use the same 19-pin cable as what is used by the USB 3.0, so it will be just a matter of motherboard compatibility to take advantage of all these USB ports at the top. The next case in this lineup is PS07E. I told them their naming scheme should probably change, so if you have any feedback on this matter, let us know in the comments. But this case, as you can see, is the silent version of the same frame found on the TJ08. I love the silver aluminum strip integrated both at the front and the top to give the case some character. The front panel swivels to open, that has sound dampening material applied with the removable dust filter and dual high static pressure fans of 120mm for intake. As for the frame itself, it's identical to the TJ08 with sound dampening material on each panel, but I really like how both of these cases are very different to suit either airflow, high performance, or silent PC. Lastly is their C380, that is more of a storage slash server direction with unpainted interior to fit the guidelines for system integrators. Behind the front panel are all these accessible drive caddies because they're all hot swappable with 8 in total, and the midsection for dual 92mm fans. The hot swappable design is awesome, and I could see this being handy for media transfers and just to minimize the hassle, and this is what the interface looks like with the cables pointing into the main chamber. Now, one of the cool things about the front panel is you can actually lock the power button from the inside, so you don't accidentally power off your PC during important data processing or transfer, and apparently you can also dim the power LED, a feature that is found on most of Silverstone's HTPCs. To cool the drives, there's a single 120mm fan attached to each cage with the removable dust filter on the side panel, and so this entire new micro ATX case selection from Silverstone is really awesome with specific targeted use on each chassis, and I personally cannot wait to build the gaming system inside the TJ08 Pro. But let us know which case interests you the most so we can publish a full review in the near future.